Okay, let us start with the discussion. There are 5 serially numbered black boxes and 5 serially numbered white boxes. Each of these 10 boxes contains at least one marble and at most 6 marbles, such that following conditions are also satisfied. So basically every box has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, either any of these numbers. No two black boxes contain the same number of marbles. Similarly, no two white boxes contain the number of marbles. So basically, every box has a different number of marbles. B3 and W3 contain an equal number of marbles. No two other boxes with the same serial number on them contain the same number of marbles. Yes. So basically, B3 and W3 has same number of marbles. And similarly, no two other boxes with the same serial number on them contain the same number of marbles. So basically, this was case for just serial number 3. If we have serial number 2, then it won't be possible to have same number of marbles in both these boxes. If this is 2 or 4 or 5, it's possible for only 3. B1 and B2 together contain the same number of marbles as contained in the remaining black boxes. The white boxes together contain 4 more marbles than the number of marbles contained in all the black boxes combined. If the marbles in B1 are switched with those contained in W1, the black boxes together will end up containing the same number of marbles as the white boxes contained. B1 contains twice the number of marbles contained in W5. So B5 contains twice the number of marbles contained in W5. So basically this is Y and
Sir, I
this
have
is
one
true Y.
question.
Yes.
So what made you to make two structures of BW?
Sorry.
Means you have created 20 boxes, right? Of you have
Yes.
10 two cases. You are taking two cases, right? So what made you
Okay,
make
that I've
from
done just for like summing it up quickly. It's not like there's additional information for there. I just know this information. That's why बाद में बनाना ना पड़े इसके लिए और कोई रीजन नहीं.
Okay, sir. Actually, I was just thinking कि आपने ये क्यों बनाया इसलिए. So, ठीक है सर.
नहीं
Okay.
नहीं नहीं. हाँ बाद में बनाना ना पड़े, बस मैंने पहले से थोड़ा होमवर्क कर लिया और कुछ नहीं.
ठीक है सर. Okay, thank you.
So we can see that there are so many statements and so many like there is no particular limiting statement so that we can get any kind of concrete information other than these two informations. They have same number of they have same number of balls. So yeah, and this particular information. Other than that, we have to form cases. Now the main thing is we have to find the least number of cases. That way we have to start. So according to that, this one statement. So when I read this statement, the white boxes together contain 4 marbles. Then the number of marbles contained in all the black boxes. So basically in W minus B is 4. Total summation. Now we know that every box has different number of balls. So this is, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that way. So every box has different number of balls. Now, one thing we can observe is that the maximum difference between summation of white and black balls is 5. That can be possible when black boxes has this number and and when black boxes has this number and white boxes has this number. So that comes out to be 5. So
Yes,
either we have to get this difference as 4, either we have to increase one number in this one or we have to decrease one number in this one. So in this one, so as she said, this one is 20 and this one is 15. So either I make it 16 or 20, like increasing one over here, or what I'll do, I'll make it 15 or make this 19. So we get these two cases only. So to make it 16, what I can do is I can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. I cannot touch any other number. Why? Because let's say this was written earlier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say I touch this number. So I'll have to make it 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we cannot have two same numbers. In that case, I'll have to touch again this one. That will again increase the sum. So for this one, the limiting case is we have to touch only fifth number and make it 6. So the only possibility in that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And this one remains the same, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is case 1. For this one is white and this one is black. The second case is, let's keep this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll decrease one over here. Again, same situation. I cannot decrease one from this one. I cannot decrease one from this one because that will make a double 5, which is not possible. So I'll have to decrease from this one. So that will become 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the two possible cases which we have. Till here it is clear now how we got these two cases. So this was our limiting thing. It gets a little confusing over here when we read all these statements. We get to think that okay, there might be many cases, but if we approach the problem with statement 4, we get to know that we have just only two possible cases. Now there is one statement that this particular number is double than this one. So basically B5 is twice of W5. Now let's look at here. Can I double this one? If we have 3 as W5, I cannot have this one, right? It doesn't have 6. So that's why we cannot have W1 as 3. So the only remaining possibility is, W5 is 1 and 2. This is not a possibility because we don't have 6. The only possibility is 1 and 2 over here. Similarly, in this case, I cannot do this one, cannot, only this one. So this and this is the possibility. So in case 1, so I'll take this as case 1 and this as case 2. So in case 1, I have
Not
W1
3 and
as 2.
not
Sorry?
3 and 6. We have 3 and 6 there, no?
Okay, yeah, sorry, my bad. We'll have two cases over here. I just missed that one out. Okay. So this is either 2 or, okay, I'll have to form other case. Let's look at the other statement so that we can eliminate the other ones. Yeah. B1 and B2 together contain the same number of marbles as contained in the remaining black boxes. So again, the intuition comes out to be कि ठीक है यार काफी सारे cases बनाने पड़ेंगे and we'll have to do hit and trial, but a better way is there. So let's say we have 5 numbers and this group is equals to this number. So basically this is x and this is x. Number comes out to be 2x. Basically number has to be even. The summation
Yes,
has
sir.
to be even. अगर हम उसको दो parts में divide करना है, the number has to be even, right?
Yes, sir.
Kritika, any doubt over here? Okay. Okay, so the total number of total summation should be even for black boxes. So let's have a look at this one. So in this one we have summation as 15. So this one clearly gets rejected, and in this one we have summation of 16. So this is the possible one. This one is not the possible one. So we will not take this case. We'll take just these two cases, one with this one and one with this one, right? So we have this particular case in which we have the summation of black boxes as 16. So what was this first case? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6. This one, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6. The other one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now either this can be 2. So in this case, this will be 4. In this case, this is 3. In that case, this will be 6. Now we have summation of the total summation as 16 over here. So basically B1 plus B2 should be 8 with the similar logic. we have 2x over here. So x index, this total is 16. So this 2 summation should be 8, right? So that is only possible when 6 and 2 are considered for B1 and B2.
So one more time, sir,
Is it
please.
clear?
Sir, please repeat.
Okay. You got this logic right? We have 5 numbers and the total, there are 2 groups in which one group is equals to other. The summation of one group is
Hmm.
equals to the summation of other group. So basically this is x, this is x, so total is 2x. Here 2x is 16. In our case, 2x is 16.
Hmm. Right.
So basically the first group should be 8 and this also should be 8.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
That is only possible when we are considering B1 and B2 as 6 and 2.
And two.
We have been
Right.
given that B1 and B2 together contain the same number of marbles as contained in remaining black boxes.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this, in this way, the second case also gets rejected because we have to take 6 and 2 as B1 or B2. But we have taken 6 at B5 location, which is not possible. If we do this, then this equal distribution won't be possible. So that's why this case 2 is rejected. We have got only this case, particular case. So this is either 2 or 6, or this is either 6 or 2. So let me cut this one out. This one is gone, this one is gone, and this one is gone. Here 2 is gone. Now we know that B and W, these two numbers are same. So in this manner, uh, we have just left with 1 or 3. Is 1 there in this particular white section? We don't have a 1 over here. So the only possibility is 3. So x is basically 3. Clear till here? यहाँ तक clear है?
So can you please show
Yes, I'm not able to hear you.
that screen of the board? So I'm saying, could you trying to just get it? Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yeah, you're not now audible.
Yes, sir. I'm saying, could you please put on that OneNote sheet?
Yes.
Hmm.
It's clear now, right?
X is 3.
This one isn't clear.
Yes, sir, not clear.
Okay. So we got this option. We had a initial condition that B3 and W3 are same, right? B3 and W3 contain an equal number of marbles,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now,
It can't be 2 and
6
6.
and 2 are reserved for B1 and B2.
Yes, sir.
4 is reserved for B5.
4 is reserved for
We are left
B5.
with
Right. Okay, sir.
we are left
One,
we are
two,
left
one
with
is not
1 and
there, and
3.
it would be 3. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, got it. Okay. So that's why this one should be 1. Now, what all conditions do we have? Uh, if the marbles in B1 are switched with those contained in W1, the black boxes together will end up containing the same number of marbles as the white boxes combined. Any other condition I left out? Now I was saying is, I'll mark it again. The total for B is x and W is x plus 4. So what we have to do is make them equal, total in B, and so that would come out to be x plus 2, and this would be x plus 2. Basically I have to minus 2 from here and add 2 from here.
Yes, sir.
Now we are left with, here we are left with either 6 or 2.
Hmm.
So we have 6 or 2 over here, and here we are left with either 4 or 5 or 6. So I cannot have 6 in both places. We cannot have this arrangement, right? We cannot have this and this arrangement, because in this case, when I am switching back, then I'm reducing this number. I have to increase this number. For black balls, I have to increase the number, but initially it was 6. I am reducing it to 4. That is not possible. So again, this case is also not possible. Switching these two numbers is not possible. The other possibility is 6 and 5, which is not possible, because that won't suffice as even condition. We have to have a difference of 2. So we cannot have 6 over here. With 6, we cannot have 6. With 6, we cannot have 4. With 6, we cannot have 5. This part is clear?
So can we also say that suppose we are exchanging the numbers, right? And we have to
Yes.
reduce the total of W. So
Yes.
if we are going to add 6, that would only increase as it is the maximum number.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say over here. We cannot do that. So that's why we
Hmm.
have to use 2.
B1 is 2.
So basically, we got a confirmation over here that this is 2 and this is 6. Now for with 2, I am left with either 6 or 4 or 5. Can we interchange these two numbers? In that case, we'll add 4 over here and we'll subtract 4 from here. That we don't want. We have to choose a number, this one. We have to choose 4 as a number, because in this case, when we are shuffling this one, in that case, I'm adding 2 over here and subtracting 2 over here. Got it?
W1 is 4.
Yes, W1 is 4.
Then we have 5 and 6 for W's. And W2 cannot be 6. This
So
also.
this one is, you got this point, right? How this
Yes,
came
sir.
to be 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got
Okay.
it.
So now we are left with 5 or 6. So this cannot be 6, because we cannot have two numbers same. Other than this one, we cannot have two numbers same, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this one comes out to be 6 and this one comes out to be 5. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So we have the final table with us, and after that we can have look at the questions.